Hi, Jenny Jones here, and in this financial short, I want to talk to you about how much does charging that credit card really cost you. And if you take a look at this chart, the reason why it's in black and white is because it's old school thinking for us not to be informed. So let's bring it up to date, see if this looks better. Now that's better, because now we need to see clearer what's going on truly with our finances. Now, what I want to show to you first is how to read this chart. Basically, this chart, at the top, I have a scale from $1,000 to $5,000, and this is for the balance that you may have on your credit card. Now, what I have here along the side is I have the interest rates that credit cards charge you and or have the possibility to charge you. And what you'll see here is these are the actual years that it takes to actually pay off a credit card. So if you had a credit card balance, let's just use a simple balance of $1,000. If you paid $1,000 with the 2% minimum, most credit cards charge you about 2% minimum on their credit cards. But if you pay the 2% minimum, and if you looked at a credit card that had 21% interest, you'd take a $1,000 balance at 21%, it would literally take you 33.2 years to pay off. In comparison, the average home mortgage is 30 years, and you could actually be done paying with a house in a faster time than it would take for you to pay off a $1,000 balance on a credit card, paying the minimum interest. This has been Jenny Jones and your Financial Short. Thank you.